If you are planning to come to Canada, I have some great news for you in this video. So watch this video till the end. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed the channel, I will definitely recommend you to subscribe the channel for any Canada immigration related updates. Let's continue with the video. So express entry draw happened. That was 167th express entry draw, and it is the biggest draw ever for express entry. 5,000 people were sent ITA. That never happened, and it has some positive consequences. So let's talk about those positive perspectives. So express entry draw happened today. 5,000 people were sent ITA, and the CRS cutoff is 472, which is 6 points less than the last CRS cutoff, which was 478. And the CRS draw that happened before that had CRS cutoff of 471. That happened on 14th of October. And then after that, no draw happened. Suddenly, CRS cutoff increased to 478 on 5th of November. So everybody started worrying because there were some changes in the express entry system for the French speakers. So everyone was worrying about that CRS cutoff will keep on increasing now. It has increased from 471 to 478. French speaker was one of the reason, and there was a gap of one CRS draw. That was another reason. So I talked about that in my previous video. But the good news this week is that the CRS cutoff has dropped 6 points. One of the reason is 5,000 people were sent ITA and they were out of the pool now. Second reason is Canada government has to meet the immigration target this year. They are already falling behind the target for this year. And if you watched our previous video where I mentioned that their target has increased to 1.2 million immigrants by 2023. So if they have to meet that target, obviously they will have to start inviting immigrants now so that they can process the file within next 6 months and they will land in Canada maybe in 2021 or 2022. So I was very surprised to hear that immigration target when they announced that they will start planning to invite 1.2 million immigrants, maybe more than that. So I was worrying that if the CRS cutoff is going 478, how can they meet that target? So now it clarified all my doubts. CRS is dropped to 472. They are doing these bigger draws, which I predicted in my previous video. If you remember, in my previous video, I talked about having these kind of big draws. So yes, if they want to meet that 1.2 million immigrants target, they will have to drop the CRS cutoff, and they have to do these kind of big draws. Not in this year only, but they should continue doing this in next year as well, because they will have to meet the target for 2023. So if they will start inviting the immigrants, start sending the ITS in 2021, then only they will be able to meet the target by 2023. So all in all, good news. Another reason why there was such a big draw is because the rules have changed for French speakers. They are getting more score, and because of that the CRS might increase. But to compensate that, IRCC has to do these kind of bigger draws, not to give any disadvantage to the people who are non-French speakers. So this is my prediction. They will have to keep on doing these kind of big draws this year and maybe next year as well. So my prediction is, don't quote me. No one can predict IRCC and how they are doing the draws. But looking at the trend, my prediction is, if they continue to do these kind of big draws if they keep on inviting 5,000 people in every draw and they do not miss any draw, like there is no gap in the draw, they are doing draws every other week, CRS may come down to 470 or less than that. So if you're not planning right now for Canada, this is the best time, because as I mentioned, they have increased the target. So this year, next year, CRS has to drop if they want to meet the immigrants target that they have set from 2021 to 2023. So this is the best time that you start preparing for IELTS, start applying for Canada PR in express entry, start increasing your CRS score. If you are sitting at, let's say, 460, so why don't you increase your score by, let's say, 9 points, 10 points, and there will be some chance, because I'm sure, my assumption is that it will drop if there will be bigger draws like this. So in that case, if you need any consultation from licensed immigration consultant, here is a link down below in the description. You can go there, you can book your appointment, and you can talk to the licensed consultant what kind of programs available for you if you are planning to come to Canada. So all in all, very great news coming up. Also, if you are already in the pool, I recommend you to let us know what is your CRS score right now, so that we have some idea and maybe we can answer your queries as well in the comment section. So if you are already in the pool, comment down your CRS score. We will have some idea how many people are there in what range. So let us know. Keep on checking our channel for these kind of Canada immigration related updates. If you haven't subscribed, I will definitely recommend you to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get latest update about Canada immigration. I hope you like the video. Please don't leave without commenting down in the video. Till next time, stay safe and stick around.